Are you looking for the best ANYCUBIC 3D printer? In this video, we will look at some of the best ANYCUBIC 3D printer on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. ANYCUBIC LCD 3D printer. The ANYCUBIC LCD 3D printer is another noteworthy 3D printer from ANYCUBIC, known for its reliability and quality prints. While it may differ from the previously mentioned models like the Creality Ender 3 V3C and the newest ANYCUBIC Cobra 2 Pro, the ANYCUBIC LCD 3D printer offers its own set of features and advantages. One outstanding feature of the ANYCUBIC LCD 3D printer is its compatibility with the Wash and Cure Plus/Wash and Cure 3 Plus machine. This 2-in-1 device combines the functionality of washing and curing 3D printed models. This convenient combination allows you to streamline the post-processing workflow and achieve clean and fully cured prints in a time-efficient manner. Number 2. ANYCUBIC Photon Mono X. The ANYCUBIC Photon Mono X is another impressive offering from ANYCUBIC in the realm of 3D printing. While it may differ from the previously mentioned models such as the Creality Ender 3 V3C and the ANYCUBIC LCD 3D printer, the Photon Mono X comes with its own set of unique features and capabilities. One standout feature of the Photon Mono X is its large 9.16K LCD screen. This high-resolution display allows for detailed and precise printing, ensuring that your 3D models are accurately reproduced. The large screen size also provides ample space for creating larger-sized prints. Number 3. ANYCUBIC Cobra 2. The ANYCUBIC Cobra 2 is another advanced 3D printer offered by ANYCUBIC. While it may differ from the previously mentioned models like the ANYCUBIC Photon Mono X, the Cobra 2 boasts its own unique features and capabilities. One notable feature of the Cobra 2 is its professional-grade FDM, fused deposition modeling, technology. FDM technology enables precise and accurate extrusion of filament to create 3D prints. With the Cobra 2, you can expect high-quality prints with detailed and smooth finishes. Number 4. ANYCUBIC FDM Series 3D printer. The ANYCUBIC FDM Series 3D printer is a range of printers offered by ANYCUBIC, including models like the Cobra 2 Neo, Cobra 2 Pro, and Cobra Go. These printers are designed to provide a reliable and versatile 3D printing experience. One common feature among the FDM series printers is the use of FDM, fused deposition modeling, technology. This technology works by extruding filament layer by layer to create 3D prints. By utilizing this technology, the ANYCUBIC FDM series printers can produce high-quality prints with precision and accuracy. The printers in the FDM series come with a full metal frame, providing sturdiness and stability during the printing process. This ensures that the printer operates smoothly and minimizes vibrations that could affect print quality. Number 5. ANYCUBIC Photon Mono M5. The ANYCUBIC Photon Mono M5 is another remarkable addition to ANYCUBIC's lineup of LCD 3D printers. While it may differ from the previously mentioned models like the ANYCUBIC FDM series printers, the Photon Mono M5 offers its own set of outstanding features and capabilities. One notable feature of the Photon Mono M5 is its large 10.1-inch LCD screen with a high resolution of 12K. This display delivers exceptional image quality and accuracy, resulting in detailed and precise 3D prints. The larger screen size also provides ample space for creating bigger-sized models.